Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma shalli ala Muhammad Muhammad. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah Muhammadin. Honorable Mr. Karaji for Madramake and Ms. Karaja Khatri Idewati Ahmad PDI as the Director of Hanifida Bar School Foundation. Respectable to Mr. Iman and Ms. Nur at the Headmaster of Hanifida Junior High School, and respectable to all of the teacher of Hanifida Junior High School, and respectable to my parents, my lovely and my dear friends and teachers. Hi guys, how are you today? Alhamdulillah, powerful, excellent, yes, Allah Akbar. So my name is Anas. I'm making the Gulf Makeup. Today I will explain about rainy season. Rainy season, the normal rainfall period of the year area experience higher than normal rainfall. Movement of monsoon. Rain more frequently in Indonesian rainy season. Rain most oceans. Um, Geographical and location. The climate patterns runs from October or April influence west monsoon can be different depending. Nah, jadi apa sih rainy seasons? Jadi rainy season itu adalah seperti kayak musim hujan gitu. Jadi kayak musim yang hujan terus gitu. Di situ terjadi uh, pada bulan Oktober atau April. Jadi itu rainy season kayak apa ya, hujan yang deras kayak nggak normal, nggak seperti hujan-hujan normal sebelumnya. Jadi kayak dia tuh kayak selalu hujan dan deras gitu lah pokoknya. Okay, I think this is enough for my explanation today. Thank you so much for your attention, and I apologize if there are music words. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye, see you next time.